Hi everybody, Dan Eggers at Constellation. Today I'm at our Limerick Clean Energy Center, the nuclear plant just outside of Philadelphia. This plant makes electricity to serve nearly 2 million homes. I'm excited to be here because if you look behind me, that's one of the cooling towers for Limerick. It's over 500 feet tall, the height of the Washington Monument, and we're going to climb it today to get a great view of what's going on from the plant and actually looking back to Philadelphia. So my excitement to introduce Bill Levis. He's the plant manager here at Limerick. Bill, obviously this is a big thing behind us. Can you tell me what that actually does besides make big clouds?
Sure, Dan. It's a cooling tower. You can think of it as a large heat exchanger. So post steam cycle, once the steam leaves the turbine, it needs to be cooled. And we leverage circulating water or river water to cool that water to go back into the steam cycle. So once that water is transferred back to the cooling tower, what you see is the evaporative cooling or the steam coming out of the tower.
So not exactly clouds, but pretty close to it.
Pretty close, yes.
All right, well, we got one that's making clouds and one that isn't right now. Can you tell me what's going on? Why are we having one not making any steam?
That's great. So we're in a refueling outage here on Unit 1. So every 2 years, we have to replace about 1/3 of the fuel. And we're about 5,000 activities and about 2,000 additional employees who come in during that time to perform that additional maintenance to make sure we're able to run 2 years reliably.
And you guys run this almost like a NASCAR pit stop, right? Everything is mapped out to the minute to make this possible.
Very much so. We spent 2 years getting ready, orchestrated, very fine-tuned, and looking forward to getting towards the end here.
Bill, I'm super excited to get up there. Should we get going?
Absolutely, let's go.
All right. High now, we're maybe halfway there, but you can kind of see, well, there's a lot to see as we look at all these places. This is pretty awesome. We're over 450 feet up at this point in time. You can see more of the region, which is pretty cool. What's sort of fascinating, it may be hard to see this way, is that it's starting to bend outward. So we actually had to turn direction and face out from the tower to climb up the ladder, which is a totally different feel. You get the view, but it's sort of weird climbing away from the tower. Well, I made it to the top. It's an incredible view up here. Once in a lifetime for sure. It's a lot of steps, but we made it. It's super cool. It was fun to go with the team. Now we have to go down, which I guess is the same number of steps. What an awesome day. It was so much fun going up and going down. 12 minutes down, 40 minutes up. Gravity continues to win the day. What a great chance to spend some time with some colleagues, get some awesome views of Philadelphia, and really is a great reminder of the incredible machines that we operate every day to bring power to Americans. This tower, just one of two, is 500 feet tall, 1/8 of a mile around the top. These are one of the many pieces that makes this plant work. So happy and appreciative of all my colleagues at Limerick for letting me join them today.